Warning, good vibes may be contagious. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. And today I have my Beachly box. This is a quarterly beach lifestyle subscription box. And I was getting this and Oceanista, but Oceanista has decided to discontinue their subscription box. They may do a small one in the future. Beachly has continued. They also have a beauty box. I do not get their beauty box. It's typically 5 items. It's clean beauty, which is very nice, but I do get a lot of beauty from some of my other boxes, and a lot of it is clean beauty. So I don't get that at this point. Maybe in the golden Easter box hunt, I'll get that. I don't know. We'll see. But this is their lifestyle box, which I love. So they don't do a card anymore. They send this, which, I mean, they could probably on the back just list all the items. They give you a little scan code that brings you to their website and tells you about the products. So I'm not going to be able to tell you much about the products. If in the future you would prefer for me to unbox it, get the information about the products, and then be able to tell you, let me know, because I can do that with the boxes that don't come with cards. I don't know if people prefer like seeing my reaction to things as I open them up, or if you would prefer more information about the product. So we're going to start off with these socks from Salt Sisters. Cute little ankle socks. I already know that somebody in my house will be like, fine. She doesn't like the ones that are like below your ankle, but she loves this type. And it's got a blue sun on it. From Hanalei is the Hawaiian Lip Balm Trio with an SPF of 15. We have gotten these before. These are great. I always send my daughter to camp with an SPF lip balm because she goes to an ocean, she goes to a marine science camp. And so they're out on a boat every day. They're out in the sun all day. Rain or shine, they're out on that boat. But I'm going to save these for the summertime. I can tell you these are very creamy. She loves them. They're reef safe. All of Hanalei's line is reef safe. So if you are going somewhere tropical, this is a great product to get. And the SPF is very good. You're not going to get those burn chapped lips, particularly if you're out in the sun, out in a boat all day. This is by Lani Makana. This is a set of magnets. I actually got these in a Lani Makana box. They're absolutely gorgeous. You've got 2 pieces of sea glass in there. And they're very, very lovely. By Rayan, I'm going to guess that these are sunglasses. A beautiful, beautiful little holder there. Guys, if you've watched me before, you know I am obsessed with sunnies. I switch out my sunnies every couple of days at work. I like to keep people on their toes, you know. Look at how well these are packed. They got a little foam in there. It's a little foam nose. This is their Miles style. Love, love, love those, yeah. These are going in rotation tomorrow. I've been wearing my ones from the FabFitFun summer box. I think they're by Dime. I get so many compliments on those. And I don't typically like the aviator style, but these, I don't know, they were in my box. I'm like, you know what? They work really good with the sun. There's so many compliments on them. So they're wonderful. A review for that. They block out the sun really well and lots of compliments. All right, we have this kind of wallet thing. This is by Vagabond Goods. Oh, look at that. Look at how, wait a minute. I've got to get rid of that for you. Look at how pretty that is. So we have a zipper section here. So you can keep money or whatever in there. And then this has a little snap. And you've got your card keeper in there. So I've been using my, what was it? My wallet that I got in a FabFitFun box. I think that was it Free People? Or was it Lucky Brand? Anyway, I've been using that. I love it. But this is absolutely gorgeous. So when I use a larger purse, when I switch out to a larger purse, I'm definitely going to try that out. might be a vegan leather, so I will put that up there when I look it up. One thing I have been doing with products, if I don't have the information for at least skincare, is looking up the information and posting it up there to let you know if it's vegan, if it's cruelty-free, if it's a women-owned business, like whatever information I can find that might be something that you might look for in a product. I know I particularly try to buy things that are cruelty-free whenever I am purposely picking out a product, but in beauty boxes, you can't always control that. And some of the brands that that I enjoy are no longer cruelty free, because in order to sell in mainland China, they're required to do animal testing, which, I'm not really for that. Elemis is one of them. Like, I absolutely love their products, so I don't go out and purposely buy them, but if they come to me in a subscription box, yeah, I'm going to use that because I love their products. But I don't love that they now do animal testing in order to sell in mainland China. And I think there's a lot of great companies out there that have just decided not to sell in mainland China just because they want to stick with their value of being cruelty-free. Last are some pants by Beach Riot. This does have a tag. It says it's a $78 value. And here is how they look. They're probably going to be a little big because I never changed my size with them. These are an extra large, but I don't know, because they don't look particularly huge to me, and they are elastic waist, so I should still be able to wear them. Of course, my biggest problem is going to be the length, so my mom's going to have to sew them up for me. But these are really cute, and they're really kind of a silky, not a soft silky, not like a fuzzy silky, but not like silk. Does that make sense? They're definitely not silk. You can definitely tell they're not silk, satin, that kind of thing, but they have that kind of silky feel to them. So absolutely lovely, absolutely gorgeous. Love those. Those are great for kicking around the house or wearing out to the beach. All right, that is my Beachly box. Let me know your thoughts. What did you think about the products in here? I think it was great. Do I think it's fall themed? No, I don't think it's fall themed. I think this is more of a summer theme. However, it's a beach lifestyle box, so I don't necessarily want fall items in a beach box. I want to still think of the beach. I want to kick these around the house all winter long thinking I'm still at the beach. But that's just me. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It helps my channel grow, and hopefully I'll see you soon.